With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that all the Honorable Judges have assembled. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I read out the notification of appointment of Honorable Sri Justice Harinath Munepalli, Honorable Srimati Justice Kiranmayi Mandava alias Kiranmayi Kanapatti, Honorable Srimati Justice Sumati Jagadam, and Honorable Sri Justice Nyapati Vijay, Additional Judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, to be judges of this High Court. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sri Justice Harinath Munepalli, Srimati Justice Kiranmayi Mandava alias Kiranmayi Kanapatti, Srimati Justice Sumati Jagadam, and Sri Justice Nyapati Vijay, additional judges of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to be judges of that High Court, with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Unquote. His Excellency the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, as per GORT number 289, Law LA and J SCF, Department dated 12/8/2025, delegated the powers to Honorable Sri Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to administer the oath to Honorable Sri Justice Harinath Munepalli, Honorable Srimati Justice Kiranmayi Mandava alias Kiranmayi Kanpatti, Honorable Srimati Justice Sumati Jagadam, and Honorable Sri Justice Nyapati Vijay, additional judges. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I read out the government order. I quote. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh hereby appoints Honorable Sri Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur, the Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, as the person before whom Honorable Sri Justice Harinath Munepalli, Honorable Srimati Justice Kiranmayi Mandava, alias Kiranmayi Kanpatti, Honorable Srimati Justice Sumati Jagadam, and Honorable Sri Justice Nyapati Vijay, who have been appointed as judges of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule to the Constitution of India before they enter upon their offices. Unquote. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency the President of India, appointing Sri Justice Harinath Munepalli to be a judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh. By virtue of the power vested by clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution, I, President of India, do hereby appoint Justice Harinath Munepalli, additional judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, to be a judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, with he assumes charge of his office. He assumes charge of given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, this 7th day of August, in the year 2016, I, may I now request my Lord, to be a judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, with he assumes charge of his office. He assumes charge of given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, this 7th day of August, this is the year 2016, by the year 2016, may I now quote to be a judge of the with he assumes charge of
perform the duties of my office without fear of and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws. Perform the duties of my office without fear of affection or will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
With the permission of my lord, the Chief Justice, I Karina Hon'ble to occupy his lordship's chair. With the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice, I request Anmayi Mandava, Srimati Kiranmayi Mandava to come with the permission of my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request Honorable Chief Justice Karina Hon'ble to occupy his lordship. With the permission of my lord, I read out the warrant of excellency, the President of India, appointed President of India. With the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice, I read to be a judge of High Court of High Court. By virtue of the power vested by Clause 1 of Constitution of India, I, the permission of my lord, I thoroughly I read the warrant of appointed by the President of India, areas, to be a judge of High Court from the date which I started. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Constitution of August I 16th of 19 years by appointment 1940 in the 76th year of the I am Judge High Court to be a judge of the I request the Honorable with effect I request she assumes charge of justice. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, the 7th day of August in the year 2025, 16th Shravan, 1942, in the 76th year of the Republic of India, by President, I am
swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance
now
to the
I request the Honorable Chief
Constitution
Justice
of
to
India
that
as
I
by
bear
law
true faith and
established.
allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of
sovereignty and
having
uphold
been
sovereignty
appointed that I will duly and faithfully, that I will
having
do the
been
best of my
appointed a
ability
judge of
to
High
the
Court
best
of
of my
Andhra
ability,
that I
by
will
the
duly
name
and
of God.
faithfully and seriously and God, knowledge
That I
best
will
of
bear
my
true
ability,
faith and
knowledge
allegiance
and
to the
judgment.
my office without fear or favor, without
That
fear
I
or
bear
favor,
true faith and
affection or
allegiance to
envy.
my office in India as by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and that I will uphold the
That I will uphold the
Constitution of
Constitution
India.
and
That I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or envy,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
the Constitution and the laws.
With the permission of my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request Anmayi Mandava to occupy her lordship. With the permission of Honorable, I request Honorable Justice Sumati Jagan. With the permission of my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request Honorable Srimati Justice Kiranmayi Mandava to occupy her lordship. With the permission of my lord, I read out the warrant of appointment, the President of Excellency, the appointment with the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, I request the Honorable Judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 17 of the Constitution of India, I Draupadi Murmu, with the permission of my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I read out the additional judge of to be a judge appointed from the state she has used given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, given by virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 Constitution 1940, I Draupadi, the 70th year of the 70th year of the signature President of India, I am additional judge I am now I request my lord, with effect from the day she assumes charge of the office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, the 7th day of August in the year 2025, 16th Shravan, 1940, in the 76th year of the Republic of India, signature President of India, I am now I request my last the Honorable Chief Justice to administer
That I will
the
faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as the Constitution of India as the law established.
I will uphold the sovereignty and
That I will uphold the sovereignty and I will uphold the sovereignty having been appointed
to the best of my ability and knowledge of my ability,
that I will duly and faithfully will duly and
that I will
faithfully
bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as well as my affection or
that I will
favor, affection or
duties of
favor,
and allegiance to the Constitution of India as well as my
and that I will uphold the Constitution, and that I will uphold the
that I will
Constitution,
uphold the Constitution
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear, favor, affection or envy,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or envy,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request Honorable Srimati Justice Sumati Jagaram to occupy her Lordship's chair. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request Justice Sri. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request Honorable Srimati Justice Sumati Jagaram to occupy her Lordship's chair. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency, the President of India. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I be a judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Nyapati Vijay, to come over High Court. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, with the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Justice, I read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency to be a judge of the India, appointed with effect from the date we assume to be a judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, at the 17th day by virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1025 of the Constitution of India, 19 I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Public Justice Nyapati Vijay, President of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Now I judge of my Lord, the Honorable High Court, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, the 17th day of August, in the 7th of August in the year 2025,
Having been
16th
appointed
Travel,
the judge of the High Court of
1942,
Andhra Pradesh, having been
in the
appointed
76th year of the Republic of India,
do swear in the name of God,
President of
do
India,
swear
I
in the
am
name of God, that I will bear
Now I
true faith
request
and
my Lord,
allegiance
the
to the
Honorable the Chief
Constitution of
Justice,
India
to
as well
administer
as
the
established,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as well as established.
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
having been duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
As judge of duly and faithfully and
do swear in the name of God,
do swear in the name
perform
of
the
God,
duties of my office without fear or allegiance to the Constitution of India as
perform
my
the
law
duties of my
established,
office without fear or favor and allegiance to the Constitution.
and that I will uphold the Constitution, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
That I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or envy,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or evil.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
That I will uphold the Constitution and laws.
Please, you can close the segment.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the swearing in ceremony is concluded. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the swearing in ceremony is concluded.